Hey guys, Mexican Independence Day is coming up, and while it might not mean a lot to you, it's something that I've been thinking about for a while, and I've been thinking about doing a special cocktail video for it, and that's why I've been looking. And then I came across this. This is Araceli Marigold Liqueur. It is produced in Mexico, actually in Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico. A place somewhere I'd actually love to go sometime. And I figured, hey, why not incorporate this into some type of cocktail? And they actually have some on their website. I'm not sure it's something I could link down below because alcohol, YouTube rules and stupid shit like that. But first off, we have to see what this tastes like. So I've not opened it yet. Take that off. So, there's the cork. Ooh, smells pretty good. Ooh, actually smells very good. Alright, let's pour some. Don't need it too much. There we go, salute. It's got some of that sharp alcoholic bite to it, but no, it's pretty good. It's got some sweetness to it. It's got this flavor. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it does have a florally sweetness to it, and I kind of like it. I think I prefer the St. Germain's a little bit still, but okay. So the two cocktails I've chosen to do today is Araceli Ranch Water cocktail and the Araceli Sunset cocktail, and we'll go ahead and show you how those are done right now. Okay, first we're going to start with the Araceli Ranch Water, and for that we're going to add some lime juice. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of the Araceli. And to that they ask for 1.5 ounces of Reposado tequila. We're going to be using Hornitos. I have yet to try a Reposado tequila, so this should be interesting. Stir that. And we are going to top it off with some Topo Chico. So, mineral water. Just one stir. Okay guys, I also garnished it with lime wall, so let's see how this tastes. It's not bad. Pretty effervescent. I can see why people like these ranch waters. Nice little kick from the tequila. Some effervescentness from the mineral water. And the Araceli Marigold Liqueur adds a nice little floral addition to it. That's very Definitely something good. Next, we're going to do the Araceli Sunset cocktail. We'll see if it's as good as that. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, we start again with 1.5 ounces of the Araceli's liqueur. This time I'm doing 1 ounce of the Reposado tequila. And then we're adding something new to it. Some Kern's Guava Nectar. And of course this is a 2-ounce jigger. Got a thing with ice. Pour into that. And we'll see how that. Alright, we're going to use this glass. We're just going to add an orange wheel to here. And we'll strain this. We probably don't have to strain it, but look at that. Perfect. Let's give this a taste. This is the Skinny Fats glass I got a while ago. Let's see how this is, huh? That's actually pretty good. I will say there's this aftertaste to it. Not the fondest of. I wonder if that's the guava juice. I have a little bit left. Yeah, it's guava mixed with something. I think it might be combined with a tequila or the Araceli's Marigold Liqueur. Not the pleasantest taste, but outside of that, it's actually pretty good. Don't want to drink too much right now. 2 cocktails, the Araceli Ranch Water and the Araceli Sunset cocktail, and they were both really good. I think I prefer the Ranch Water. Potential of the Sunset cocktail I like better because I like it has more fruitiness to it. However, the finish is not something I like. It's not necessarily bad, but it is off-putting. Whereas the Ranch Water is pretty much as great. So yeah, I'm actually glad I made both. Who knows? Maybe we'll do a few more cocktails using the Araceli Marigold Liqueur at another time. But for now, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you within the first couple of days. After that, it's going to be kind of a crapshoot whether I am able to respond. And I know most of you don't celebrate Mexican Independence Day, but happy Mexican Independence Day. Have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.